Hey everybody. I just want to do a quick intro today and let you know we're doing a collaboration, the Fab Five, and we're doing it inspired by our pets. So I wasn't sure what to do. My dog, come here. I'm sure that you guys have all seen my beautiful pink. So was I going to do it with brown or was I going to do it pink? So I decided to do something a little bit different today. Sorry about my hair. So I thought about doing something a little bit different today. Since we have to have it inspired by pink, I thought, how about if we let pink do the painting? So I am going to be doing, she's going to be doing the painting. I seen somebody on TikTok do this and I thought it was just adorable. So please excuse the video because I wasn't videoing. It was kind of hard to do on the floor with her, but yeah, it all turned out cute and it's really super cute. So hopefully you get the gist of it and yeah, enjoy the little video by Pink. Say hi to everybody. Tell everybody hi. But yeah, enjoy the video. And this is with the Fab Five. It was with Nicole, Rose, Katrien, and Christi, and I. So we're all doing it. Everybody's links will be in the description below in the order that everybody is doing their videos in, so you can check everybody's out. I appreciate you guys watching, and let's get to pink painting. Purple. This one. That was awesome. Okay, which one? Pick a color. You gotta pick a color. Pick one. Pick one. Pick a color. This one. This one. Okay.
That one. That's it?
Yeah. Okay. Now it's time for a close-up. Look at, she likes the negative space, the pretty colors. She even put her paw in somewhere. I can't remember where it was at, but it was there. I think over in this corner. Pink? Did you like doing that? Come here. Tell everybody hi. Tell them thanks for the peanut butter painting. I'll bring it down for a little close-up of her piece. I think she put her foot in this corner here, I believe. But anyway, it was fun. She did a beautiful job. She likes the negative space like I do too. Got some nice little texture to it. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I seen somebody on TikTok do it with his dog, and I just thought it was the most adorable thing ever. And yeah, but I do appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed Pink doing her little piece, and I hope everybody's healthy and safe and keep being creative. Have a good day, have a good evening, and check out the other ladies. Their links will be in the description. And their times that they were going on, the order that we're doing it. So I appreciate you guys watching. Keep being creative. Bye.